Welcome to Rayat Shikshan Sanstha's Western Region, Standard 7, Subject General Science, Lesson number 17, Effect of Light, and video number 34. In this video, we have to see what is meant by eclipse, solar eclipse and lunar eclipse, and zero shadow day. So what is an eclipse? The moon revolves around the earth and earth revolves around the moon, which revolve both around the sun. Their orbit of the revolution are all different. When the sun and moon and earth comes in a straight line, an eclipse is said to have taken place. So what is meant by solar eclipse? During its revolution, when moon comes in between sun and earth, the shadow of moon is cast on earth and sun cannot be seen from the part of the shadow. This is called as solar eclipse. The solar eclipse is seen only in a new moon day. The solar eclipse may be either partial or total. Sometimes the solar disk is completely covered by the moon, and this is the total solar eclipse. When solar disk is not covered fully by the moon, we have partial solar eclipse. During the solar eclipse, ultraviolet rays which are harmful to us reach to the earth. The solar eclipse should never be watched with the naked eye. The special type of goggles should be used for this purpose. So solar eclipse means when moon comes in between sun and earth, the shadow of the moon is cast on the earth and sun cannot be seen from the part of the shadow. This is called as solar eclipse. The lunar eclipse means when earth comes in between the sun and moon, a shadow of the earth is cast on the moon and a part of the moon is covered. This is called as lunar eclipse. The lunar eclipse is seen only on a full moon night. If whole moon comes in shadow of the earth, it is total lunar eclipse. When shadow of the earth is cast only on a part of the moon, it is partial lunar eclipse. You can watch lunar eclipse with naked eye. A lunar eclipse can be seen over a period of few hours. Eclipse from occur in a solar system as seen from earth when object star passes behind the moon. That state is called as accumulation. It is common phenomenon that occur in a sun, moon and other stars. For example, 2016 the star called Rohini was hidden behind moon. After some time it came appeared on the other side of the moon. Did you see this accumulation? The next point is the zero shadow day. The day on which sun reached exactly overhead is called as zero shadow day. The day on which sun reaches exactly overhead is called as zero shadow day. On that day, noon shadow completely disappear. This event can be only seen in the region between Tropic Cancer 23.5 degree and Tropic Capricorn 23.5 degree south. This event occur in a summer at different days in different places in this region. An eclipse is a natural phenomenon. Many superstitious connected eclipses are prevalent in the society. It is necessary that everyone make efforts of rid to society of superstitious beliefs. So today in this video we have to discuss what is meant by eclipse, what is solar eclipse, lunar eclipse, their position, and the zero shadow day. What is meant by zero shadow day? An eclipse is a natural phenomenon. Many superstitions of the eclipse are prevalent in society. It is necessary that everyone make effort to rid of society superstitious beliefs. So please like, subscribe. Thank you very much. Thank you.